你好, today we are going to talk about 我的学校, my school. So our learning goal today is, by the end of this lesson, you will be able to talk about when you start and finish school, talk about how many students there are in your class, ask and respond to how many female or male students in your class, and understand the use of 在. Okay, let's start. So let's do some revision. From last week, we learned about talking about your school timetable when you start school and when you finish school. When you want to say, I start school, you can say 上学, okay? When you finish school, 放学, and when you eat lunch, 吃午饭, okay? So to put this in a sentence, let's look at the timetable. We start school at 8:45, so you can say 我8点45分上学. Okay, so now finish school, we finish at 3:20. You can say 我3点20分放学. All right. Now let's move on. So 我的学校在在 means in or at. Okay, so my school is at. You can say 我的学校在中国 my school is at China. 我的学校在新西兰 my school is at New Zealand. 我的学校在英国 my school is at England. All right. Now, talking about nationalities, to say that I'm a specific nationality, you simply need to follow this structure. 我是. Now, using the country word that you have just learned, you can say 新西兰人. So adding the 人 makes it into a person, nationality. Okay? So 我是新西兰人. I'm a New Zealander. Okay? 我们学校有 means our school have. 我们学校没有 means don't have. So 我们学校有女学生 that means our school have female students. 我们学校没有男学生 our school don't have male students. Okay? Now 我们班有means our class. Okay? So our class have 我们班有36个学生 Our class have 36 students. Okay? 有20个男生 have 20 male students. 16个女生 16 female students. Okay? Now, if you want to be talking about nationality, you can also use the structure 我们班有6个学生 We have 6 people in the class. 有5个新西兰学生 We have 5 New Zealand students. 1个中国学生 1 Chinese student. All right. Now, to ask the question, you simply need to follow the structure. 你们班 so your class. 你们班有多少means have how many or how much. Okay? 有多少学生 that means your class have how many students. Okay? How many students do you have in your class? Or you can be more specific and say 你们班有多少女学生 How many female students do you have in your class? Or 你们班有多少男学生 How many male students do you have in your class? 你们班有多少中国学生 What does that mean? How many Chinese students do you have in your class? Okay. Now let's take a look at this paragraph and see if you can understand. 你好，我叫圆圆，我8岁，我的学校在中国，我的学校有男学生，没有女学生。我们班有11个学生。我7点上学，3点半放学。我喜欢中文课和音乐课。Do you understand? Try and translate it. 加油，再见。